Hello there. I'm just going to be potting on some seedlings this morning. Like Laura, I've got masses at the moment, all growing in little pots, and they need to be what's called pricked out. I'm using this lovely little widger dibber thing that we've got in our shop. I've got a pot. These are actually French marigolds here. I tend to grow them in the greenhouse to deter the whitefly. But they're all growing in this pot, and they need now taking out and putting into these separate modules. So I've already done quite a few, and the way that I do it is just to loosen them from with their roots there, and then to take it out, I only handle it by the leaves. I don't touch the stem at all because those can bruise quite easily, and then just tuck it into its own little module of damp, peat-free compost to grow on. They won't be planted out until the end of May. And when this tray is finished, I will just put it in a warm, bright place inside to grow on, not forgetting the seed label. That's it.